My dear students, in this session, I would like to explain about how to append, that is, add glossary of terms. Let me take chemical kinetics, click on chemical kinetics. You can take any course. So in this case, I would like to put an example, the chemical kinetics. So click on that, chemical kinetics. Hyperlink is available, hypertext is available. If the link is not available, you please let me know. And usually it will be given in the student project. So click on the student project tile. This is called tile, and go to the student project where you can find video project glossary of term student quiz. So you have to click on this glossary of terms. And every student should append at least 10 terms, but it should not be repeated by anybody. Make sure that others should not have done the same term. Now you can add entry here, add a new entry. So you can fix the concept, on which concept you are talking about, and what is the definition. Okay, so let me say this is the, in fact, that is when I say concept, that represents the technical term, and here you are giving the explanation for that, the expression. So here you have to type the term, and here in the definition part you have to define it properly, right? And if you have already done or already written in manuscript, you can upload here also by clicking this insert picture. Okay, insert picture, here it is available, right? Now so let me say that is order of the reaction. Order, what is order? So we have already explained, but here I would like to define it very clearly. Always refer the textbook and reproduce the same definition. Don't write of your own. Okay. So you have to exactly reproduce the terms. Now let me type that is order. Order is nothing but it is defined as what? It is the order is the, you can put order once again. Order is the sum of powers of concentration terms. Concentration terms. So order is the sum of powers of concentration terms in the concentration terms of what? Of reactants. Of reactants. Okay. Whose concentration determine the rate of the reaction? That is very important. Okay, so reactants whose concentration determine the rate of the reaction. Rate of the reaction. So where is it available? This is in the rate equation, or you can put order is the sum of powers of concentration terms of reactants. You can simply put in the rate equation. That is better. Okay, in the rate equation. Better. You can refer to the book and reproduce the definition in the rate equation of the reaction. Are you able to follow? Suppose, let me say 2a, you can give example also. 2a plus b gives some product, and rate of the reaction is depends on, rate depends on, okay, or rate is equal to, you can simply write down the rate equation also. Rate is equal to k into, if you put, say, that is a, then power 2. So for power 2 you can make use of this term, and b, that's all. Okay, so this is b. B power 1. So for power 2 you can put, simply you can make use of this superscript here. Okay, so it will be nice also to look this. Now what is the order? The order is is equal to 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So likewise, you can simply represent your definition with some example also. Is it clear? After that, what you have to do, go there and just save. That's it. Okay, is it clear? So now your glossary is available. You can check anywhere. For instance, there is check N. So there is no term associated with this. Always check whether the same has been produced or not by checking here. So put O and your term is appearing here. Order. Are you able to follow? Is it clear? Okay, right. So I am expecting every one of you to insert or to append at least 10 terms, 10 glossary of terms. Okay, right.